There's a lot of dogma associated with aging. For example, we all think it's very natural for a person to forget things, or like loss of memory power, lack of interest in learning new things, or lack of interest in entertainment or social activities, or lack of focus. So all these things we think are a very normal and natural part of aging, and that is one thing that we have always heard also from maybe from our elders and grandparents, grandparents, or from the society, that at one point of time in life it is very natural that you will forget things, it is very natural that you will lose all interest, it is very natural that you will no more be physically fit and all that. But let's see what the Japanese centenarians who live for 120 years and who enjoy enviable level of enthusiasm until the very end of their life, let's see what they have to say. So welcome to chapter 2 of the book reading series Ikigai, where the authors have decoded the secrets of Japanese centenarians residing in the island of Okinawa. So I'm going to reveal 3 anti-aging attitudes that the Japanese centenarians possess. Number 1, keep learning. Yes, keep learning. As we grow old, we all tend to have this, one advantage, that we have this capability to perform certain tasks very efficiently and very quickly. And that gives a sense of satisfaction, that yes, we are experienced in this task. And that things increase as our age, as we get older and older. And it seems to be very advantageous also. After all, that is what we gain from experience, the ability to do a task very quickly and efficiently. But it is not very good for the brain, because if you do not feed your brain with new information and new challenges for a very long time, your brain starts aging. And then this loss of memory power, lack of attention, lack of focus is very natural. So how do we overcome this? The only way to overcome this is by presenting the brain with new information, by moving out of the comfort zone and allowing yourself to learn new skills, new activities, play some new games maybe, or do things that challenges your capabilities, that challenges your brain, that presents new information to the brain, and in the process your brain generates new connection and gets revitalized. Yes, so that is the first secret. Keep learning. The next anti-aging attitude, or the next anti-aging secret that the Japanese centenarians possess, is keep moving. Yes. Particularly in the current generation, if we see, sedentary lifestyle has become a big problem in our lives. Generally we think that when it comes to sedentary lifestyle, it will just cause obesity or maybe cardiovascular diseases and all of that. But sitting in one position for very long hours and not making our body move can actually decrease our life expectancy. Yes, and if you see in Japanese culture, it's very interesting, but in Japanese there is no word that literally translates to retire. Yes, the Japanese never retire because they don't have that word in their culture. The Japanese centenarians, they keep moving their body parts, through several activities like gardening, playing some games, or getting engaged in some social activities all throughout their lives. And so by inculcating small habits in their day-to-day life, they make sure that they keep moving. Yes. The next, or the third most important anti-aging attitude is that keep calm. Yes. The Japanese centenarians have this attitude, have this stoic attitude, that is, they maintain serenity on the face of all setbacks. It's not that they don't face challenges. They do face challenges, they do face hardships, but whatever it is, they don't get overwhelmed. They don't get that situation or hardship take away enjoyment or enthusiasm out of their life. And it has been also researched and found that there is one common trait among not just the Japanese centenarians, but across the world, there's a common trait among all centenarians and super centenarians. They all have this attitude of maintaining serenity. They all have this attitude of keeping calm and composed under all circumstances in life. So yes, friends, these are the 3 anti-aging attitudes. Keep learning, keep moving, and keep calm. So this brings me to the end of today's 3 anti-aging attitudes. So stay tuned for more and more secrets revealed in the next chapter, in the upcoming chapters of this book. This is Shubhra Mukherjee signing off for now. I'll be back soon with new videos. Until then, spread joy and keep smiling. Thank you so much for watching.